IT solution. Today we are going to learn how to install WinRAR. So you first open your browser, Chrome, Google browser if you are having it. If you don't have it, there's a tutorial down there that you can down and learn how to download and continue from there, please. Okay, so you go to Google, you search WinRAR. It's used to archive files. So you would see a lot of options here, and you are going to their site, winrar.com. So you press on the site and you go to download WinRAR. It's going to download automatically and pick up your Windows version. So then don't worry about the type of operation system you are using. The moment you press it, you realize that it will just pick up your operation system and the bits you are using, and it will automatically give you the recommended one. So you press on the download button, and it will start downloading at the bottom of your web browser, or at the right hand corner you go to the three dots there. You realize that it opens a menu, and you click on the download, and you see the WinRAR. They are going to show in folder, and it will be in your download folder, and you double click it to open, and say, do you want to install this app? Yes, it can make changes. Then you go to install, and you press OK, and it's done. The installation is done. Thank you guys for watching. This is how we download WinRAR. Kindly subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified in our next coming video. Thank you.